ornamental kale, you could eat it. Huh. I am here today with a beautiful, very fancy leafed ornamental plant that sometimes is used for an edible and sometimes not. So what we have here is a kale, but this is a very fancy variety of kale. This is Scarlet Bor. It's not quite showing colors of what I would call scarlet. I would call it kind of a beautiful dusky purple with kind of a gray-green, like an oceany kind of green, dusty green. In any event, this is spectacular. Look at this fimbricated, fractally ruffle. This is kind of feather-like, kind of ostrich feather-like, poofy plumage, showy. This is a great cool season, cooler weather plant. I planted this in the fall here. As a little start, and I snipped, there was just one little plant like this, and I snipped its little bud and it branched out, and now we have this spectacular display here. So ornamental kale, you could eat it. Huh. Saute it or bake it or however you do. It's not bred for that. I don't know if the taste would be quite as good as some of the regular edible varieties, but so this one is grown for show, and putting on a show it's really doing. With the very warm weather, this is an annual, it will flower. Some people call that bolting. It'll put out a little yellow flower spike with teeny little florets. It's kind of cute, pretty, but it's not grown for that, and that'll signal the end of the season for the kale. So for like half the year, or maybe at the most 3/4 of the year, here, this is just really a showstopper. I actually haven't grown one better than this. It's just got really, really good fullness and branching, so I'm very fortunate, and I wanted to be able to share this with people. So this is an ornamental kale, extremely ornamental, called Scarlet Bor, and something you can try for the beginning of the cool season is the best time to plant this. And in the ground, and at the edge or front of a border so it really shows, or in a pot. Yum. Mwah. Hi, thanks for joining me. If you found this video interesting or informative, or you think that other people might, please give me the thumbs up or subscribe on my YouTube channel. That way I'll know, and other people will know, that this is a good thing. There's a lot of treasures to explore out there, and it's fun to share them. These leaves are really just so marvelous. It's hard to, they remind me of maybe feathers, like ostrich plumes or something. This beautiful fractal fimbrication is just otherworldly.